Hey guys, so today is going to be a Christmas get ready with me, and this is going to be a voiceover, which is my first voiceover ever. I don't really like voiceovers, but I'm going to try to do this, and bear with me if this is very confusing. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. So first, I'm starting off with foundation, which is my all-time favorite foundation, which is the Fit Me foundation, and I'm in 228 soft tan. And I'm gonna just use one of my dirty beauty blenders and just put it on my face. And I just usually put the foundation on the back of my hand and then dot it all over my face and then sponge it.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even.
Next is concealer, and it's my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I'm just gonna put that under my eyes to brighten up my under eyes.
It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just there 'cause the flames won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.
Next is my Laura Mercier Air translucent powder, and I'm just gonna bake under my eyes for like a few seconds because I don't like to leave it for that long. And then I'm just gonna brush it away with one of my powder brushes.
Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your
Next are my eyebrows, and I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown like I always do.
head when you cried for me. Hold you hung while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea.
So next is eyeshadow, and I'm using a lighter brown right now, and then next color would be a darker brown. Then on my lower lash line, I'm going to do a green color. And then for my inner corner and my brow bone color, I am going to use my Stila Kitten eyeshadow. And there's not going to be any lid shade for today. So for mascara, I am going to use the Full Season Mascara from Maybelline. And that is all for my eyes.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares from you.
So this is my favorite bronzer. This is from Anastasia. I'm just going to bronze my face up.
You when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home is just you and me. I thought you were the one for me.
So next I'm putting on blush, and this is my NARS blush in Dolce Vita. I'm just going to put some color back into my face.
That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So next is highlighter, and my highlighter is broken, but this is the Becca highlighter, and I really love this to death, so that's why I'm still using it while it's broken. I bring this everywhere with me, and yeah. Lastly, it's a lip color, and I'm doing my MAC lipstick in New York Apple, and this is a pretty old shade, I think. But yeah, I'm using this for a red shade, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new. and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.